Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a special DIY pot painting that I have created for my Amma who is an avid plant enthusiast. This Christmas themed pot is painted with acrylics and features a unique design that I'll be walking you through in this video. My inspiration for this design came from traditional Christmas colors and symbols. I wanted to incorporate elements that would remind my Amma of the holiday season but also complement her love for plants. The first thing you will notice about this design is the stunning blue background. I chose this color to evoke the feeling of a clear winter night sky or a frozen lake. The richness of this color sets the tone for the rest of the designs. The red cherries are a fun and festive touch that add a pop of color to the design. Painting this design was a fun and creative process. I used a combination of brushes and techniques to achieve the desired effects like the intricate details of the leaves and cherries. To achieve the unique olive green color, I mixed white acrylic paint with green, creating a beautiful muted tone that adds warmth and coziness to the pot. One of the unique features of this design is the misty effect with delicate snowflakes that I painted using white acrylic paint. These intricate details infuse the design with a touch of magic, transporting you to a winter wonderland. Also, to give the cherries a 3D effect, I added black dots to create depth and dimension. And that is the finished pot, guys. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And Amma loved it to bits. The pot is more than just a decorative item. It's a thoughtful gift that shows I care about her interests and hobbies. Let's see her reaction to the painted pot. Surprise! ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ? സൂപ്പർ അല്ലേ? I hope you have enjoyed this video and that it has inspired you to create your own unique DIY projects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Happy crafting and happy holidays!